How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to this guiding studio. In today's guide, I'll show you how to end-to-end encrypt your WhatsApp chat backup in iCloud Drive. It's super easy, so let's get started. Now to do that, first thing first, simply go and open up the settings app from your iPhone and then tap on this Apple ID at the very top and then scroll down, tap on iCloud. And from here, go ahead and tap on see all. And from here, you just need to find out the WhatsApp. You'll get to see the WhatsApp is enabled. If it's already enabled, go ahead and turn this option off and enable it again. Now, once you do this process, you're pretty much good to go. Just get back from here and open up the WhatsApp. And then go ahead and tap on the settings at the bottom right. And then scroll down, tap on chat backup. And then go and tap on end-to-end encrypted backup and then tap on turn on and then create a password. So let's go ahead and enter a strong password and then go and tap on next, and you just need to retype the password. And lastly, just go ahead and tap on create and the chat backup will start working. And this is how you can end-to-end encrypt your WhatsApp chat backup to iCloud Drive. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.